Sorry. Oh. Charger. Yay. I don't know why I'm doing that unboxing video. But controllers for my Switch 2. Why am I talking about things? Oh! It's bubble wrap. It's soft. The wrap on it's actually soft. An actual thing soft too. Time to pop it. Oh, come on. Pop. Don't make it fun of me. Why is she fooling me? This can die. Oh! Ow! Hopefully this works on my Switch. More bubble gum. Wait, why am I calling it bubble gum? No, it isn't bubble gum. Does this work on Switch? Don't say about anything what it charges. More bubble wrap. I'm going to pop on your nose. Haha. It feels weird. I just bit like a full-on metal thing off it. I just bit this off. Right. I want to see if it charges it. Wait, you'll come with me. Got it in. Payback. Please fit a goal. This is just going to be a waste of money. Does it charge? It charges! It charges. Yeah. I'm happy now. Get all this rubbish off my bed. Ooh. My room's a mess. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, or I'll be sad.